Very good morning to all of you. In this present time of gloom and despair, which is across the world, it is a very happy situation today to celebrate the 5th anniversary of Bharosa, a brand which has been created by the vision of the Telangana government and Telangana police, and has helped in giving support to a large number of victims. Um, in view of the COVID situation, we are having, sir, most of people have joined us online. These include our police personnel, it includes officers of the Hyderabad City Police, includes members of the media, sir. We've asked media also to join online. Many of them have joined online. We have NGOs and our other partners also joining us online for this program. I welcome everybody to this virtual celebration of the 5th anniversary of Bharosa Center, Hyderabad. 5 years back, this center on this same day was established and has been working and touching lives of thousands of victims, both women and children. The dedication which has been shown by the staff who works there has helped in establishing this center and making it a force to reckon with, a brand which has been followed and has been duplicated in many parts of the country, and none other than the Honorable Supreme Court rated it as one of the best initiatives which can, a model which should be replicated throughout the country. I'll just take you through a short slide presentation. Where can I see that? It'll come on this or that screen? Yeah, yeah. For information of everyone, we have been able to render assistance to more than 10,000 of our clients. And as you can see from them, the maximum of them have been domestic violence cases. The focus area of Bharosa continues to be the POXO and rape victims, but a large number of domestic violence cases have victims do come to us, and we've been rendering them help. More than 40% of the people who have come to us in domestic violence have been able to live happily thereafter till now, and that is something which we feel proud about, of making sure that the families still remain together. Next slide. Bharosa Center, besides giving assistance and besides providing the criminal justice system at almost the doorsteps of all the victims, has been involved in a lot of outreach programs, and these outreach programs cover the schools, the colleges, the other communities, and we've been able to touch almost more than 20,000 people in these years, and this number is definitely more than that. This is something which we have recorded. There are so many other activities which keep on going on. And next. In light of the increasing cases and the increasing load on the Bharosa Center, under the Safe City project, in the city itself, a second Bharosa Center is to be established, and just recently we laid the foundation stone at the one at Zahira Nagar. This will be made at a cost of 4.08 crores. We are also going to have 13 new family counseling centers in the city itself. Both these initiatives are likely to start functioning by the end of this year, and will therefore reduce the load on this Bharosa Center, especially with respect to the DV cases. And therefore, the more concentration on cases of rape and POXO can be taken up once these 13 ICWs come into place. One of the fallouts of the pandemic had been that the number of domestic violence cases had increased. Coupled with that, the victim was unable to come to the Bharosa Center in view of the various restrictions and also due to the fear of COVID. It is due to this reason that last year itself, during the time of pandemic, we introduced certain new initiatives like telecounseling and cloud telephony and virtual counseling issues which we started. This has helped us reach the victims in the time of pandemic. A large number of them are utilizing this service. This has also helped us in protecting our own Bharosa staff, who can work from home. 50% of them are coming here and 50% remain at home. But the work does not suffer because all of them are able to follow up on their cases and take new cases by the help of this new technology which we have put in place. Which they have put in place. So this is a new initiative which is going on. We encourage all victims to either dial 100 or dial the Bharosa number through which they can link to the telecounseling facility of the Bharosa Center. Besides that, we have indulged in number of stakeholder engagements, one important being where more than 1200 teachers from various private and government schools were, a 2-day workshop was held for them, where they were trained into making sure that their schools were safe for children. There was no cases of sexual harassment, sexual abuse for the children which happens there, and make their institutions safe for children. And not only that, they were also told that what are the red flags which they should keep looking for to know if a child is suffering from sexual abuse of any kind. So this is an initiative which we had taken at the Bharosa Center here. Besides that, we had training for the IOs, we had training for the forensic doctors, the medical doctors and the judicial officers. And this is one initiative which has probably helped in ensuring that the conviction rate in POCSO cases are improved. The child-friendly court which was set up in the premises has greatly contributed to ensuring that large number of convictions come through the various mediums, including social media, hoardings, and also through the support of press, who large number of them who have joined us virtually today. This is basically, our idea is to encourage women to come forward and report the instances to us. The need is to break the silence and reach out for help. So we hope that this campaign, which will be starting now as the 5th year of Bharosa, will help people to come out of and reduce the stigma and come out and seek help. Thank you and welcome all of you today for the celebration, and special thanks to all the Bharosa staff, and a happy day for all of us to celebrate together. Thank you.